I define connection as the energy that exists between people when they feel seen, heard, and valued, when they can give and receive without judgment, and when they derive sustenance and strength from the relationship. You are witnessing one of our couples date nights curated by Kissable Retreats. If you don't know me by now, I am the Kissable Diva, and I absolutely enjoy creating moments for couples to reconnect. This particular date night, the couples are doing a cooking class with Chef Tim. Each of the couples enjoyed each other while engaging in a group setting. They were able to feed off of, that feel-good energy. We rented a venue, hired a chef, and everyone had a chance to go home with a bunch of new memories and gifts. These couples absolutely enjoyed themselves, and we think you deserve to enjoy a couples date night too. Join us for our next couples date night and reconnect with your boo.